Menu. What is the point of my life? Speech on aim of my life. June 3, 2022 by Amul Sharma. Speech on aim of my life. Contents show. What is the point of my life? What is aim of my life? What is the purpose of your life? Aim of your life. After all, what is the purpose of life? Of all of us. Aim of our life. This is a question that we all should ask ourselves first. If we know the exact purpose of our life, then our chances of being successful will increase a lot. Speech on aim of my life. Let us first talk on this topic to be successful and try to know that what is the purpose of my life. Speech on aim of my life. Is it the purpose of my life to get everything that I want from this world? Or is the purpose of my life to give what the world wants from me? Essay on aim of my life. First of all, it is important to know that no person in the world can achieve any success on his own. If a person has got success, then it may be his own success, but behind that person's success, many people have a hand. Whether those people are from his family, his relatives, or any unknown person. One of the laws of nature is that the greater the success a person has achieved, the more people behind him were helping him. And the smaller the success he achieved, the less people were helping him behind him. Many people here help us to be successful. This help can be direct as well as indirect. The same rule works in the world. That is, the bigger success we have to achieve, the more we need the help of people. Now here comes a question that why would someone help us? Why would people help us achieve our success? Must people have a reason to help? Should there be some benefit to helping people? Otherwise, why would anyone help us like this? The simple answer is if we want people to help us, we have to give something to people. After all, what can you give to people in return for all of them to help you? The exact answer is value. Yes, if you can add some value to people's lives, they will be ready to